Well, good afternoon guys. This is the first time you've seen my face. For those of you that don't know me, I am the Jersey Biker. I have bought some Delkevic 8-inch stubbies. Now, I've never listened to them, only on YouTube, some American guy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an installation video with some sound comparisons so that you guys can see how they go on and what they sound like, baffles in and baffles out. So enjoy. Hi guys, so what I'm going to do first is a reveal of what you get delivered by Delkevic. I ordered these through the UK, they cost me £250. Now, nice small box. I got it delivered to Argos, Long Eaton. Came in a nice small box. I thought they'd be a little bit heavier than what they are, but they're not. They're quite a light package, as you can tell. But in the box, what you get is extension pipes, one for each side. You get the silicone exhaust sealant. Okay, that's good. You get your two brackets, obviously, to hold onto the bike. I got shitloads of stickers. I'll find somewhere for them. Invoice, obviously. And then, nicely boxed and packed. I've already opened this one, so here's for the reveal. That is my 8-inch stubby can. It's more about 10 inches actually, looks like. But that's the stubby can that's going on this beauty. And then inside there you also get the rubber strap to go around the bracket, so I'll put that there. So that's one. And then number two, I've not opened this one yet. And exactly the same in this one. So that's what you get in the box. So before I go stripping the cans off the bike, what I'll do is I'll give you a quick sound check so we all know how the standard FJR 1300 sounds. Okay, so that's up to 5, bit of a rev, so you sound, it's what it sounds like when you're just sitting there revving it. I don't like it. I don't get noticed when I'm filtering through traffic, and it's just annoying. Just people ignore you. So I want to be heard. Plus, the extra horsepower will help. Okay, so let me just start sorting out what tools I need, then I'll get back to you. Okay, so I've unwrapped everything. As you can see, 2 link pipes, straps, and I've got my silencers at the end. Tools I need, just having a look, to extract or take off the existing silencers. Obviously a ratchet, I've got a 3/4 drive and a 3/8 drive. 3/8 drive extension, I think it's a 2-inch extension. I need a 12mm socket and a 14mm socket. That will get me my pipes off. To put the new pipes on, I need a 5mm Allen Hexi bolt or Hexi key, whatever you want to call them. I call them Allen bolts, Allen keys. I need a 5mm. I'm using them with drill, get it done quicker, neater. I will tighten it up, nip it up with the sockets later, but just initially use this. And once I've done the sound check with the baffles in, unfortunately I've then got to take the whole rear silencer off again to remove the baffles with the 4mm, just here, right at the back, unfortunately. But needs must, because I want to do a sound check with both in, see what I prefer, and then decide on what I want. I'm probably going to go with baffles out. So that's the tools I need. I'm going to crack on. Okay, so that's number one off. Number two. Now I've just got to clean the pipes. Okay, so that's one side done. Okay, so that's that side done. A few tools, knife. That I barely used. I was going to use that originally, but not sharp enough. So good old knife. Got rid of that. And obviously a wire brush. Job done. Now I'm going to move on to blowing out. I'm just going to quickly start it up, get rid of any shit that might have dropped into the pipes, and then I'll start fitting. Enjoy. A little bit louder than I thought it was going to be. Not too bad though, if you're in MotoGP, I suppose. Right, let's get on with the fitting. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to put it all on loose, clamp it up, and then once I'm happy with the position, I'll tighten everything up. Okay. Okay, so that's the link pipes on, nice and loose. Just going to wipe my hands. What I'll do before I silicone seal this side, I'll get it all set up, do the sound check, make sure I'm happy with what I'm choosing, then I'll seal it up. Okay, so sound check. This is sound check 2. This is with baffles in. Does she sound really nice, looks really nice too, so now it's baffles out. That's it. Baffle number 1 out. Okay, so baffles out. Look forward to the next video. Ride for Remembrance in Jersey. Cheers guys, thanks a lot.